I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools manage and intervene with difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'd like to address a question about school community. Our school is very spread out with grade levels in their own hallways. How can we create an all-school community when our paths rarely cross? This is not unusual, especially when we create house systems in our middle schools or we have very large schools that take up a lot of real estate. If it's doable, it's something that I say, let's put it on our culture calendar. What's a culture calendar? The culture calendar is something that we developed right in the beginning of the year, and it might be a committee, maybe it's student council or something of the like that says these are 4 times throughout the year where the entire building gets together. So we might take our small house systems and we create something for the next big cultural event, and then we pull ourselves all together to share what our individual departments or houses, if you will, came up with for the big all community event. I think sometimes we do this at the beginning of the year and we do it at the end of the year, but we don't often do it intermittently throughout the year. And so that kind of leaves us divided. For super, super large schools, might not be doable. But for schools that we have 3 or 4 different houses or different departments like that, I think we need to do that to pull that community together because we are one name on the door. So we don't want to create 3 or 4 different schools under one roof. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos. If you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.